6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, chat. It's coming out. Any second now, the game's going to update. Any second now. Wait for it. 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 Okay, it's 12. Let me see if it updated. Refresh. It last updated. I think it updated. Is it out, chat? Is it out? Is it here? They haven't announced it yet. Not yet, not yet. Okay, any second, any second. Any second. They got 1 million players. W Animal Hospital. I'm waiting for them to say something. Let me try joining another server. Create a new server. Join. The update's out. Yep. Okay, chat. Starter item scanner. Okay, chat. The update just came out. I'm going to start recording. Everybody that types in the chat can be in the video, okay? Y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go. Let me, real quick, I'm going to go through and buy. Update is out. There it is. There it is. There it is. I'm going to buy everything. Let's see. Buy. Little anomaly just came out. We're going to be checking it out, seeing what's in the game, what's new. They just announced it. Update is out. They got 1 million players too. W. So first off, let's go to the classes. It looks like they changed some of the skins around. So we got the nurse. I don't know if that's new or not. Secretary is definitely new. I don't know what that says on the name tag there.